Hey guys, my name is Sal. I'm the co-founder of Dude Meds. Today, we're gonna show you how to do a subcutaneous injection. As you'll see, typically with Dude Meds, you're gonna get 27 gauge needles. They are 27 gauge and ½ inch. These are good for subcutaneous as well as intramuscular injections. Kind of nice double combo there. We ate on the side of utilizing subcutaneous injections, but you can do both. First things first, you're gonna have your alcohol swabs as well. Pull that open. When you first get your testosterone, you're gonna have a little cap on there. You're gonna flick the cap off and you're gonna wipe it. And even if you don't have the cap on, this is just multiple times doing it over, you don't ever wanna touch the top. And you always wanna take an alcohol wipe first and clear that off. Set that down, you have multiple alcohol wipes. Here is your syringes. These are 27 gauge. So typically what you do, take it off, set this down to the side, top off, right into the rubber stopper. You have the rubber stopper there, as you can see. You're gonna invert, and then whatever you've been dosed for, I'm 150 milligrams a week. I just do it twice weekly injections. So come down, I'm gonna pull, and you're gonna just pull, hold, and wait, and you'll see it start dropping into the tube. This process shouldn't take more than just a couple of minutes with the 27 gauge needles. Okay, so we're getting to the top. What you can do is you can let your stopper go, and you wanna make sure there's no little air bubble in there at all, no pocket of air. You go ahead and remove. Do not touch the top, you just set that down. You're gonna keep that as sterile as absolutely possible. And then what you can do is keep this up. You wanna minimize any risk of touching that anywhere else. Take your alcohol swab, and what you're going to do is pick a spot 2 inches outside of your belly button on either side. And what you can do if you're doing twice weekly dosing, just pick a spot either side. You're gonna take your alcohol swab, swab it. And what you're gonna do is go in from anywhere from a 90-degree angle to a 45. So you're gonna pinch some belly fat, just like this. Push in, pain-free, hold it. You could even release it or just let it go a little bit. Go ahead to press in the plunger. Don't go as fast as possible, just nice, slow, and controlled. It should go in nice and easy, pain-free. Good, it's pressed in. You're gonna just leave it sit there for a couple more seconds, just so all the medication goes in. You're gonna remove it just like you did, all right? Cap it, just like that. You're gonna put that in a sharps container to dispose it properly. And you might get typically one tiny little drop of blood. And what I'll do is just take either a piece of tissue paper, toilet paper, just wipe it one more time, or your alcohol swab, and you're good to go. So it's that simple, guys. You see how easy it is to do a subcutaneous injection.